Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the calendar app and locating the event. This ensures you remove the correct item. Once you tap the date, scan the list and tap the event name to open details. Make sure the event isn't part of a shared calendar you need. If it is shared, note who else is invited. This first step prevents accidental deletion and prepares you for the exact deletion options available in the event detail screen. Once the event details are open, tap Edit to access full controls. This is where Apple places deletion options and recurrence settings. If the event repeats, the Edit screen explains whether you'll delete a single occurrence or the entire series, so choose carefully. If it's from a subscribed or shared calendar, check the Organizer field to understand permissions. You may not be able to delete it for everyone. Making the right choice avoids unintended removal of multiple events. Finish by tapping Delete Event and confirm the prompt. This final step removes the event from your device and, if you're the owner, from attendees. If nothing happens, make sure calendars are synced. Open Settings, right arrow Passwords and Accounts or Calendar Accounts and refresh or toggle Calendar off and on to force a sync. If you lack permission because it's a shared event, ask the organizer to delete it or adjust your access. That resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.